Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create a business partner in SAP software, okay, for vendor master record. Means we have to create a business partner with respect to vendor master record. So business partner, what is business partner? So a business partner that we call BP represents represents a supplier. We can say a supplier, or we can say a vendor, and we can say customer. A business partner represent a supplier, or we can say vendor and customer. Okay. So now in this video, we will learn how to create a supplier, we can say a vendor master record. Okay. So the business partner concept is used as a single point of entry to create, edit, and manage master data for vendors and the customers. Okay. So we can say, so business partner. Okay, so here like vendor master record, that is supplier, vendor master record, and customer master record. So how we have to define, so in this video, we will learn how to create a vendor master record. A vendor master record means, first of all, we have to define a BP business partner. After that, we have to define vendor master record. So vendor master record, what is vendor master record? Very simple. Vendor is a party, or we can say supplier is a party that makes goods and services available to the consumers. Okay. So we can say vendor is a party, vendor is a party that makes goods and services. Okay. Goods and services available to customers. To customers. So now how we have to define, like here in this vendor master record, we will, okay, specify in this vendor master record, we will vendor specific. There are many vendor related information, vendor specific information, vendor specific information, that is vendor address detail, as well as here we have to mention different currency, company code, company code, address, communication details, communication details, payment terms, payment terms, and purchasing information, purchasing organization, the company's purchasing organization information that we have to maintain here. So vendor master, these are the different specific. There are many lots of information, but these are the information we have to maintain for creating a vendor master record. So now what are the T codes? What are the things? Okay. So first of all, when you use vendor master record, so that time you make sure, okay, first of all, grouping. Grouping, it is represent number range. It is represent number range. Okay. You have to mention your grouping. So our grouping, okay. So you have to mention grouping. Then there are different roles. Okay. So for general data, if you want to add general data, so there are different roles. In VPs, there are different roles. Okay. So like we can say for general data, general data like address, communication details, language. Okay, so for these information there is a general data. Okay, so here rule have a specific value, the code. So in this code, this rule we have to use, okay, to identify. Similarly, for company code related information, financial accounting related information, we want to require to maintain related to the BP. So for that there is, okay, for we can say company code related data payment terms. Okay, so for that FLVN00 you have to use. And for purchasing organization related information, purchasing organization, purchasing group related information, so there is FLVN01. So these are the different rules that we have to use. Okay. Now the talk about the T codes. What are the T codes that we have to use? So for create a BP, first time, okay, a new BP we have to create. So use T code BP. The same for modification, or we can say changes. Okay. Modifier, we can say change. Same BP. And for display, we have to use BP. And if you want to see the list of BPs, if you want to see BP list, BP, that is vendor list. If you want to see vendor list, or we can say supplier list, sometime in SAP system you will see supplier list. So you will use T code MKVZ. Okay, so these are the different T codes that you have to use. These are the different T codes. These are the different roles. Okay, and grouping, you have to add the grouping, so that the complete information we have to enter. Now we have to see, and accordingly we have to perform. Okay, so open SAP system, and here you have to run BP. Very simple. After that, click on organization, create organization. Click on organization. Okay, it is showing business partner, create a organization. Okay, it is business partner. So number is automatically generated. You not required to enter any number here. It will automatically generate when you select grouping. Here you see I'm mentioning a grouping. So in this case you will select SPL. Okay, SPL is a grouping. You will see SPL. This is SPL. This is SPL. So you have to select this SPL. Very simple. Okay, and here you see these are the different roles. Okay, 6 times 0 business partner, that is general data. General data. Okay, now you have to maintain. Now you have to mention first of all title. So you are going okay, doing now you have create business partner for company name. Suppose my business partner name. Okay, uh XYZ. Suppose this is my business partner name. Suppose this is my business partner name. Okay. Now for easy search your business partner. So there are some okay. We can say search term. Okay, that you have to enter some keyword you have to enter. So with the reference of this keyword, we have to open this business partner. Okay. So I'm mentioning here my SAP user ID. Okay, I'm mentioning here my SAP user ID. Same street. So suppose 12 4 pin code, city, country, you have to select country, region. Okay, this is the way you have to select. Post office box number, suppose this is post office box number, this is pin code number, communication. So suppose select English, telephone number, mobile number. So you have to add a mobile number. Suppose this is the mobile number. Okay, mail ID, if you want to add any mail ID, so you have to add a mail ID. Business partner. Okay, this is the mail ID that you have to add. Suppose this is the mail ID that you have to add. There is any additional mail IDs that you can add. Otherwise, fill these all the information, then press enter. Automatically here you see error it is showing. Okay, error means red color is showing. Now filling all the information. Now you have to check. When you click on check, it is showing a green message that okay, no address for this business partner, because I have not saved this business partner. When I am saving this business partner, system gives me a okay number. Then this okay system identify that this information for a specific business partner. So you have to, very simple, you have to click on this save button. After filling this all the information, you have to click on this save button. When you click on this save button, here you see a business partner number is generated. So this is your business partner number. This is your business partner number. Business partner number. This is your business partner number. Business partner number. Now, okay. So this is general data. This is general data. This is your first role. We have maintained our first role. Our first role we have completed. Now, here you see this is now in display mode. But if you want to edit something now, you can okay, in display mode you can't edit anything. So you require to change in, okay, you change the display mode to modify, or we can say change mode. So here you see this is the icon, okay, switch between display and change. So click on this icon, automatically change organization. Now you can edit. And now you have to select. Now you have to select FLVN00. Here see FLVN00. Very simple. You have to select FI vendor, and here you see company code. So in this vendor, okay, so financial record, okay, financial record, all the things we have to mention. So company code we have to add with this business partner. So this is our FLVN00, and very simple, click on this company code. When you click on this company code, it is showing, please enter your company code. So my company code, that is SPKM. Press enter, SVKM is showing. Now reconciliation account. So for vendor master record, you have to add here a business partner, that is a reconciliation account. This is a GL account. So you have to add 164 times 0. Okay, account payable. Okay, this is a payable account. After that, payment terms. So yeah, here you have to add payment terms. Okay, you will see if you click on it, these are the different payment terms. So you have to select the first one. You have to select the first one, 0001. Now press enter. Okay, very simple. Press enter. So you have mentioned for transaction mention here, and the payment term, this is the payment terms. Okay. After maintaining this, all the information you have to check. Like whatever information you have entered, that is error free or not. There is any unnecessary data you have entered? No. It is completely error free, and there are lots of other information, but we not required. Now we have to save. When we have saved, so our first role, okay, our second role, FLVN00, that has maintained. Here see, this role has maintained. Okay. After maintaining this, okay, this is maintained. Now screen still it is change mode, so we not required to change DNA here. Okay, so now FLVN01. When you select FLVN01, you will see purchasing. I'm mentioning here purchasing. Company code, that one is completed. Now purchasing. Okay. Now purchasing. So very simple, click on purchasing. When you click on purchasing, it is asking enter your purchasing organization, purchase organization. So you have to enter PO11, your purchasing organization, whatever your purchasing, that purchasing organization you have to enter. After that, it is asking currency. In which currency the transactions are happened. Okay. So here Indian currency, and the payment terms. So you have to select 0001. Okay. So this is the way you have to select. After that, you have to check. After that, you have to check the system is showing error free or not. Yes, it is error free. Now you have to save. Now you have to save. So this way your business partner, okay, for vendor master record is completely we have defined. So this is the way you have to define a business partner with the respect of supplier, or we can say vendor. Okay. Now, okay, so this is our business partner, okay, properly we have created, and all the role we have mentioned with respect to vendor. Suppose if in future, if you want to update any information in business partner, means change anything. So there is, you have to use the same T code BP. I'm mentioning the same T code BP for modification. I will show you. So here you see this is now you not go with organization. Now if, okay, so if you open a existing business partner, here you see this is the folder icon. Okay, you have to click on this folder icon, and it is showing that please enter a business partner. Now you have to enter a business partner and click on continue. So when you click on continue, here you see your business partner is showing. And now role wise, okay. So first of all, one by one, I will show you. You can see this is showing, this is change window. Okay, you can change anything, whatever information you want, you can change. Now same like FLVN 00, if you want to change anything, you can change. Click on company code, the complete information it is showing. The same way, FLVN 01, FLVN 01, you have to select FLVN 01, and here you see purchasing. Here you can see purchasing. So this is, here you see the what the information we have maintained, that is showing here. Very easy. Okay, whatever information you want. If you want to change anything, you can change. Okay. So this is the way. But if you want only display, so very easy. The same method. Method is completely same. Okay. You have to click on it, enter your business partner, continue. It is open in change organization, but you can change it to switch it. Now it is display window. You can see. Okay. Now it is display. You can't edit anything. You can't edit anything. You can't edit anything. Here you see this. Okay. You can see this is your company related information in a display format. Okay. You see business partner related information. This is the way. Now, if anyone asks, okay, they required, okay, supplier list, we can say vendor list. So very simple. You have to use which code? MKVZ. You have to use MKVZ. Now it is showing list of suppliers. Okay, purchasing. So you have to enter like during business partner creation. I have okay, enter if you see here in the BP, I will show you so that it will more clear. You have to enter, continue. Now you can see, here you can see. Such term we are using, okay, because like material, there is no created Y. There is no created Y. Okay. That is the reason I enter here search term. So I have entered this search term here to filter out. To filter out. You not required this one. This is completely not required. You simply enter your user ID, click on execute. You will see how many business partner you have created, and now you can see the business partner what I am created. This is my business partner. You can double click on it and you will see it is open in display. Okay, so this is the way we have to create a business partner. Okay, so this is the way we have to create a business partner as a vendor master record, or we can say supplier master record, and this is the way complete. Okay, I hope guys this topic is clear. Thank you.